What if I told you there's a Faceless YouTube channel pulling in close to $40,000 a month, and it never shows a single face, never films anything, and barely lifts a finger? I found one, and it made me ask a simple question. Could I rebuild a channel exactly like it, in the same style, using nothing but AI? And could I do it fast? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. Here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through the entire system, from finding a winning idea, to writing the script, to generating a finished video with visuals, voice, and editing, all driven by AI. No camera, no editing team, no experience required. And because almost everyone asks this, yes, I'll also show you how to keep an AI channel monetized, because that's the part that trips most people up. So stick with me to the end. Let's start with the channel that inspired this. Analytics tools estimate it earned somewhere around $40,000 a month, mostly from ads. Now, you've probably heard that AI channels get demonetized. Sometimes that's true, but only when the content brings zero value. Here's the key idea. YouTube does not actually care whether a video was made with AI. What it cares about is whether the video is worth watching. And this channel wins with simple storytelling, clean visuals, and a format that never gets old. But notice something important. We are going to borrow the format, not the videos. Studying what works and creating your own version is inspiration. Re-uploading someone else's content is a copyright strike. That difference matters a lot. So let's turn this into a real plan. Step 1. Pick the right niche. Some topics simply pay more per view than others. That's called RPM, how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. 3 of the highest paying niches are finance, technology, and education. Education is my favorite because it appeals to almost everyone and tends to hold attention for a long time. And watch time is exactly what drives monetization. So choose one topic inside finance, tech, or education that you'd actually enjoy making. Step 2. The script. This is the foundation of the whole video, but you don't have to write it from a blank page. You can hand this off to an AI model like Claude and ask it to study the most successful videos in your niche. The hooks, the structure, the pacing. Then have it write you an original script in that same proven style. The goal is never to copy anyone. It's to learn the pattern that keeps people watching and apply it to a fresh topic with your own angle. A strong script hooks the viewer in the very first sentence and gives them a reason to stay until the end. Step 3, and this is the fun part, turning that script into an actual video. To keep viewers engaged, you want the visuals changing every 5 to 10 seconds. For a 5-minute video, that's dozens of separate shots. Doing that by hand, writing each prompt, generating clips one by one, syncing them to the audio, can eat up half a day. So instead, you connect your AI model to a generation engine. In this workflow, that engine is Higgsfield's MCP. It can produce the images, the video clips, the voiceover, and even the music, all under one roof, while keeping the same characters and the same visual style across the entire video. And that consistency is the real advantage. Instead of clips that look like they came from 10 different tools, everything matches. The AI breaks your script into scenes, decides how long each one should be, generates the footage, lays in the narration, and assembles the whole thing, automatically. What used to take a full day now takes minutes. Once the video is done, you still have to package it for YouTube. And this matters more than people think. Ask the AI to prepare a strong title, a clear description, relevant tags, and a few thumbnail options. Testing 2 or 3 thumbnails lets YouTube show people the one they click on the most. Good packaging is often the difference between a video that gets buried and one the algorithm decides to push. Now, the part everyone worries about, actually getting paid. To join the YouTube Partner Program with long-form videos, you generally need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. With a strong format, you can reach that faster than you'd expect. And remember, views don't depend on your subscriber count anymore. If the content is good enough, The algorithm pushes it straight to people who've never heard of you. But here's the honest truth about AI and demonetization. YouTube isn't against AI, it's against lazy, low-value spam. So follow a few simple rules. Use a natural-sounding AI voice that fits the topic. Make sure the script is genuinely original and actually teaches something real. And make sure the visuals are properly edited, not just random clips slapped together. Do that, and you're on the safe side. It also helps to turn on the altered content disclosure when you upload. It takes 10 seconds, and it removes the compliance risk entirely. One bonus tip before we wrap up. A lot of faceless channels grow much faster by using shorts. Ask your AI to analyze the most viral shorts in your niche, figure out what's actually working, and then create your own original shorts based on those insights. It's one of the quickest ways to build that early audience and hit your watch time goal. So let's recap the whole system. Pick a high-value niche, use AI to study a proven format and write an original script. Generate the full video, visuals, voice, and editing with a connected AI system. Package it properly with a strong title and thumbnail. And above all, focus on real value so you stay monetized. That's it. That's the entire system. The barrier that used to stop people, editing skills, expensive software, being comfortable on camera, is basically gone. The tools exist. The process works. The only thing left is to actually start. So here's your challenge. Pick your topic, create your channel, and upload your first AI-assisted video this week. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.